this is Harry,
Emily,
and welcome back to RTV News. Woo! And here's this week's athletic schedule. First up, softball. They have an away game today at Del Campo High School. JV and varsity both starts at 3:30.
And there's a boys volleyball game today. It's at home versus Elk Grove. JV starts at 5 p.m. and varsity starts at 6 p.m.
And the baseball team is having an away game tomorrow against Colfax High School at Colfax High School. Both JV and varsity starts at 3:30 p.m.
And as well, there's a color guard and drumline competition. It's tomorrow in the big gym from 4 to 10 p.m. And make sure to go support all our athletic events.
Go Roseman! Woo-hoo! Hey Wolverines, tomorrow we're having our Black History Month assembly in the auditorium 1 through 4th periods by grade level. So make sure to be ready and have fun. On this day in 1869, the 15th Amendment is entered into the Constitution. The amendment would grant all African American men the right to vote. Happy Black History Month. Congratulations to Ms. Chabriel for winning Wolverine Way recognition. You're literally the GOAT.
And a lot of students voted for you for how kind you are and your integrity to do everything, and just like you have such a big heart, Miss Chabriel, and we love you so much. Woo! And that was Emily
and Harry.
And we'll see you next week, Wolverines.
Doodles!